If you're a nature lover, then you need to meet the Jamaican boa. If you're curious about island wildlife, then you need to learn this. If you care about conservation, then you need to act now. This nocturnal marvel slinks through branches with amazing climbing skills, controlling rodents that threaten ecosystems, controlling birds that threaten ecosystems. Vibrant camouflage keeps it safe, but habitat loss puts it at risk. Invasive predators also put it at risk. Support local conservation. Spread the word, help keep Jamaica's forests balanced. Save the boa. Save the island's wild heart.